All right, y'all. I think we're finally ready for the snowstorm. We got all of our shovels, flat shovels, snow shovels, Scott spreader. We got the small snow blower. We got 5 gallons full of fresh gas, a bucket. We got 5 bags of salt right here. We got 4 more in the truck. We got our ramps, and then we got the big beast. So we got everything plugged in, ready to go. We got our hand warmers right here, ready to go. And then we got our switch plugged in right here for our lights, just in case we need them. And they on, baby. So I think we're ready to go, just in case it gets dark out there. Let's get it.